How to create a TikTok account in 2 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how can you create a TikTok account in just few minutes. So let's get started. If you haven't yet, you can start by downloading the TikTok app for free from the App Store or Play Store. Once you have it installed, open the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap sign up. Choose how you want to make your account. You can take a shortcut by signing up with your Facebook, Apple, Google, or Twitter account. So you can sign up with your phone number or email address too. I'll be using the email option. Type in your email address, then tap next. Now you need to create a password for your account. It must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least one letter and one number. Your password strength will be indicated below, so try to make as strong of the password you can. Then tap next. Enter your birth date. Then tap next. Now you can enter a nickname for your profile if you like. This will be your display name at the top of your profile and the name that appears on your videos. If you don't want to add a nick, you can tap skip in the top left corner and your TikTok account will be created. That's all it takes to create a TikTok account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.